Today, we will see another tricky question. Express 18 as the product of prime numbers and write it in index form. The same question may be asked in the following ways. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Step 1. Start dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Again, start dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Observe here, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor, that is itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. As per step 2, please stop here since 1 is reached. Step 3. Collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 3 and 3. So, 18 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 2, 3 and 3. Got it? Therefore, the prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This can be written in index form as 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.